In front of me is a LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use it, all you need to do is copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and tap on pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, you can either swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and tap on the delete button. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!